Hi guys! Welcome pa rin sa aming another video. So ngayon gagala tayo dito sa Central Market kung saan marami kang mabibili guys.
Sa Changi type guys. Condo is the old craft. Picture of the dinosaur guys. Bawal pero kailangan natin ng makita ninyo. Here guys is mga lumang sasakyan. So marami pa rin binibenta mga craft, mga chandeliers. Be! La, so cute iso no? Food spa for the fish. You go in there and then you soak your water or your leg so that you can have a wonderful day. Still in Malaysia. It's a cute stuff guys for us. To CCC and bye. Mga sinaunang tao, mga sinaunang larawan at mga sinaunang antik-antik. See guys, so nice. The old one be yun guys. Okay pa pala yung Kodak guys. Kodak Express. So cute. This one guys is the Jalan Jalan. And then your slipper guys. This is a Chinatown for our famous chendol. Amo siya halo-halo. Here, all bati here. Totoo ang mga malong na mga tela. So much and so many things can buy here. How much is that?
One of these is 34 if you buy two.
Sabon siya guys, sabon. ECB, get flag. Okay, go take. Thank you.
So yun lang guys. See ya. See you around.